body with the gates of hell. Move your body with the gates of hell. Move your body with the gates of hell. I'll be there at dragon. Move your body with the gates of hell. Move your body with the gates of hell. Move your body with the gates of hell. I'll be there at dragon.
That was more the punk rock version of that song.
Jeez,
I like the punk rock version.
I like that.
That's kind of rad.
Reminds me of. Oh,
His fingers so long.
yeah. What's
I
that?
know, it's like, oh yeah.
What's that stupid movie with? It's like a spoof of singer-songwriter. It has John C. Reilly in it, and he actually wrote and sang the songs in it. It was like, God,
Oh yeah,
Is it-
and it was
Oh,
Do
Walk
we-
Hard.
Walk hard, yeah.
yeah, I knew you guys. That's what that made me feel like when he first tries coke and he pushes the whole bit. Like, I'm like, oh my God, I've never played this that fast.
Wait, what was that song again?
Kurt Vile.
That's right.
But that's what it made me think of. Is that scene?
Great job, Rand.
Oh, thank you, buddy. Thank you.
Good job, Adam.
Yeah, dude,
I
I'm gonna
get
get-
your file so far. That was pretty sweet.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it. That's like, I'm a huge Rancid fan, and I was like, for when I was in high school, I was like into like punk rock and ska a lot.
Sure.
And I cover Roots Radicals by Rancid. It's just and when I play solo, and so like that organ, that like punk rock organ, is just like fucking.
Oh yeah.
That's like one of my favorite things.
You like hammer on that.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get used to those chords, and I'm gonna fix it up or flesh it out a little bit. I mean.